Question number 9. There is a real life situation given here. There is a water tank. The water tank is being filled with water by two taps. One tap has a smaller diameter. The pipe has a smaller diameter and another one has a bigger diameter. Now, these two water taps together can fill the tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. They have given 9 3 by 8 hours, which is nothing but, when you make it improper, 8 9s are 72 plus 3, it is 75 by 8 hours. That is when they are filling the tank together. Let time taken by tap with smaller diameter to fill the tank to be, we will take this to be x hours. That is, we are assuming that the time taken by the tap with smaller diameter to fill the tank is x hours. Then it can fill 1 by x of the tank in 1 hour. I will explain this to you. Suppose you take this tank. Now I am going to tell this tap is going to fill this tank completely in 10 hours. Then in 1 hour it would have filled 1 by 10th of the tank. I will give you one more example for you to understand better. If I am going to tell that this tap is going to fill this tank in 2 hours, then in 1 hour half of the tank will be filled, that is 1 by 2 of the tank. So instead of 2 or 10, now we are telling that the tap is going to fill the tank in x hours. So in 1 hour it will fill 1 by x of the tank. That is what we have written here. Now I hope you understand this 1 by x of the tank. With that we will move to the tap with the larger diameter. Now let time taken by tap with larger diameter to fill the tank equal to, now in the question they have said that the tap with the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than this tap. Now we have assumed this to be x hours, so this is going to be x minus 10 hours. This is given. It is given in the question that the tap with the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller tap to fill the tank. Therefore, what we can say is, then it can fill 1 by x minus 10 of the tank in 1 hour. Now using this 2, we are going to form an equation. Before forming the equation, I am going to explain one more thing to you. I will take the same example. Suppose if both the taps together takes 10 hours to fill this tank, then in 1 hour they would have filled 1 by 10th of the tank. Is it not? Suppose if both the taps together takes 2 hours to fill the tank, then in 1 hour they would have filled half of the tank, that is 1 by 2. Similarly, what we are going to do is, using that, now you can see that together these two taps takes 75 by 8 hours time to fill the tank. So in 1 hour both the taps together would have filled 1 by 75 by 8. Let me write it for you. In 1 hour together they can fill 1 by 75 by 8 of the tank. That is going to be 8 by 75. Now we are going to write the equation. So in 1 hour we found that the smaller tap is going to fill 1 by x of the tank together with the tap with the larger diameter. It is going to fill 1 by x minus 10th of the tank. They both together are filling 8 by 75 of the tank. When we take LCM, the LCM is going to be x into x minus 10. Now to get the same denominator, we have to multiply this by x minus 10. So multiplying the numerator also by x minus 10, we are going to have x minus 10 plus, here we have x minus 10. To get this denominator, this x minus 10 should be multiplied by x. So multiplying the numerator also by x, we are going to get x equal to 8 by 75. Now this is nothing but 2x minus 10 by x into x is x squared minus 10x equal to 8 by 75. X into x we got x squared, x into minus 10 we got minus 10x equal to 8 by 75. Now we are going to take this 75 to this side and we are going to take this x squared minus 10x to that side. Then we will have 75 into 2x minus 10 equal to 8 into x squared minus 10x. When you expand this, you are going to get 75 into 2x is going to be 150x minus 75 into 10 is 750 equal to 8 into x squared is 8x squared minus 8 into minus 10 is going to be minus 80x. Now taking all the variables to the other side, already that side we have 8x squared minus 80x. Now taking 150x to the other side, we will have minus 150x. When you take minus 750 to the other side, it will become plus 750 equal to 0. Now this can be written as 8x squared. This is going to be minus 230x plus 750 equal to 0. Now you can see that on comparing, you can see that your A value is 8, B value is minus 230 and C value is 750. We are going to solve this equation using quadratic formula and find the answer. Now you know that your quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Substituting the values, we will have minus of b value is minus 230 plus or minus root of minus 230 the whole square minus 4 into your a value, that is 8, into your c value, that is 750, divided by 2 into 8. Now simplifying the previous step, we get 230 plus or minus root of 52,900, because 230 into 230 is 52,900, minus, then we add 750 into 8, that is 6,000, into 4, it is 24,000, divided by 16. Now we will continue the steps further. We will have 230 plus or minus, when you subtract this, when you subtract 52,900 minus 24,000, you are going to have, this is going to be 8 and 289. So we will have 28900 divided by 16. Now you know that 17 into 17 is 289. So this is going to be 170 into 170. So you are going to have 170 divided by 16. So the first answer is going to be 230 plus 170 divided by 16. And the second answer is going to be 230 minus 170 divided by 16. When you add this two, you will get 400 by 16. Then when you subtract, you will get 60 by 16. 25. And this, when you cancel by 4 table, you will get 4 15s are 60, 4 4s are 16. So something 15 by 4. This is not possible because now these are your x values. X is going to be 25 hours or 15 by 4 hours. 15 by 4 hours means it is going to be nearly some 3 hours and some minutes. Now you know that if the smaller tap is going to take 3 hours, then the larger tap is going to take 10 hours less. How can you have an answer in negative? So this 15 by 4 is not possible. Now this is our final answer. I will write the answers here. Time taken by smaller tap. We have taken it to be x. We have found out x value now. So time taken by the smaller tap alone to fill that tank is 25 hours. Then time taken by larger tap. Larger tap means the tap having the larger diameter. Larger tap alone is going to be 25 minus 10, because we have taken it as x minus 10. That is, it is going to take 15 hours. Now we have found both the answers.